How do you find extraneous solutions in radical equations? Imagine solving a puzzle where some pieces seem to fit, but when you check, they don't really belong. That's what extraneous solutions are in radical equations. They pop up during the solving process but don't actually work in the original problem. When you work with roots like square roots or cube roots, you often have to do extra steps to get rid of the radicals. These steps can accidentally add solutions that aren't true. So, it's super important to double-check your answers at the end. First, start by isolating the radical part of the equation. For example, if you have something like square root of x plus 3 equals 7, get the radical alone on one side. Next, raise both sides of the equation to the power that matches the root. If it's a square root, square both sides. If it's a cube root, cube both sides. This step is where extraneous solutions can sneak in because raising to an even power can create solutions that don't satisfy the original equation. Once you've eliminated the radical, solve the resulting algebraic equation just like you normally would. Sometimes, you might need to repeat the process if there are multiple radicals involved. After finding potential solutions, the most important step is to check each one by plugging it back into the original radical equation. This helps you see if the solution actually works or if it's extraneous. For example, if you solve the equation square root of x equals -5, you might get equals 25 after squaring both sides. But when you check, square root of 25 is 5, not -5. So x equals 25 is an extraneous solution because it doesn't satisfy the original equation. Always remember, raising both sides to a power can create solutions that aren't valid, so checking is key. In summary, to find extraneous solutions, isolate the radical, raise both sides to the appropriate power, solve the resulting equation, and then check each answer in the original equation. This process helps you keep only the solutions that truly fit the problem. It's a simple but important step to avoid mistakes and ensure your answers are correct.